Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corrie V and today we are going to be testing out some Lady Gaga makeup. This is HAUS Laboratories. I guess it's an Amazon exclusive. And of course I had to go and pick up the liquid liner. And she had a liquid liner kit with some eye stickers to help get those perfect wings. So I thought that's what I'm going to try. So I hopped onto Amazon.ca because I'm Canadian and I found this for 43 Canadian dollars. That includes the eyeliner and these stickers. Armor Wingtips #1 eye armor stickers, and you get this fancy package which comes with a sheet of stickers and you stick them on your eye and connect your eyeliner to it. It's actually kind of a similar premise to those eyeliner stamps. I've done a video on the Gaga wink stamp where you just press on your wing and then draw on the rest of your eyeliner. I love this thing. I use it every single day. Highly recommend. You can watch that video over here. So I was really intrigued to find out what stickers were like. Like, how does that feel? Do they last all day? Maybe they last better than liner, because like on my greasy lids, there wouldn't be any like smeariness, maybe. So I have been wear testing these out a bit, which is why some of them look a little strange. You get two different sizes of these wingtips, a natural look and a more exaggerated look, but they're both so long. I think it's just the top row is one style and the bottom row is another style, that I think they're both pretty dramatic looks, at least compared to what I'm used to. But for today, I'm going to go with the thicker style because I think it's a little bit more flattering for my eye shape. So I've already done my full face of makeup minus lips, but I've got some eyeshadow on, foundation, all that stuff, powder. And we're going to start with the stickers. So these stickers do come in a really pretty black ombre silver package, and it says House Guest Face Lace. The stickers are made in England, and I guess for more information they direct you to houselabs.com and not amazon.com. It's best used on clean skin. Peel off slowly and keep the armor flat to prevent the design sticking to itself. Place it at the outer corner of your eye, stick it to your face basically. And then you can reuse by sticking it back on the sheet. In my experience, I've used a set at least twice and they seem to still be going. So this is what the stickers look like. They do have like a texture to them. It almost looks like carbon fibery texture or something. But to me, they don't look, I don't know, they just look very 3D, which is interesting. And the liquid eyeliner that comes with it is a matte liner, so that should help kind of like blend in with that. And you can see it's just a very precise tip pen. It comes with this like interestingly shaped cap. Let's just go ahead and throw it on, stick it on, and start the wear test. And of course, for $43, I expect a lot. Though that being said, if you end up liking the shape of the stickers, it could last you a long time. Like, let's assume you wear each one just twice, each set. That's still like 50 looks. I'm gonna go for the second one in here because these outer ones are the one I've used. So let me just go ahead and pull it off. I've just got a little sticker there and I'm just going to stick it on. And they do stick on very easy. You do definitely like feel it on your eye. And if you don't place it just right, you could, I guess, like tape in a wrinkle or something where it definitely feels like it's pulling more than normal. But as you can see, it's got that like little divot on it, so you can like kind of put it, your puffy eye crease, if you have puffy eye creases like me, kind of around that sticker part. So let me go ahead and stick this one on. Okay, kind of like that. And of course, the best part about a sticker compared to a stamp or something is if you don't stick it on quite right, you can literally just lift it up and go for a second round, try again. You can really take your time with this, and like I've lifted this one like 3 or 4 times and it's still got lots of stickiness. Alright, well, not sure it's perfect, but it's good enough. I'm going to go ahead and try using the liner. So the liner, they say you can just kind of stamp it into the winged shape and yeah, connect it to the stamp basically. So really the big concern is like kind of where the sticker connects to your skin. Just kind of fill that area up with ink so it looks like all one piece. And just kind of connect it up like that. You do have to be really careful where it joins together, because I find you either can make it a little bumpy or a little divotty around the sticker area. But I figure once you have your mascara and everything on, those little imperfections are going to be a little less clear. Let me do the other side. Alright, and there's both the wings drawn on. A couple things about the liner. I do like this liner a lot. It's kind of a stiff felt tip that does have a bit of give, which I like. I find if I'm not using the stickers and I'm just going in to draw my own wing, it's maybe a little bit too stiff compared to my preference, but it's still the perfect amount of juiciness. It's a really nice black, dark liner. It goes on easy. Just the shape of it makes it really easy to draw a nice smooth line all in one go. I really do like the liner. Not my favorite, and at that price I probably won't be repurchasing it, but it could have been a lot worse, so I'm pretty happy with that. And the stickers, again, pretty fun. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara. I've got this hideous bottle. This is the It Lash Blowout from It Cosmetics. It looks like a roller. Hilarious. Got the mascara on. I'm gonna throw on some lipstick. Alright, and now I can go start my day. We'll see how the sticker lasts for the next 12 hours. We'll see if I get any grease transfer on my super oily lids. And we'll see what the comfort levels are like as well. Overall, I do think they look really good. Let me pop over to Natural Light, let you take a look, and then I'll check in at the end of the night. Here we go. Alright, I'm back. It's been a full 12 hours, in fact a little bit longer than 12 hours. Let's take a look at the eyeliner. So looking up close, it actually doesn't look too bad. Now this eye, you can see it's kind of like detached. Maybe a couple hours ago, my eye was just like so itchy. I don't know if it's the adhesive or something, but I just really needed to like scratch it. I was just kind of like doing this to it. And I kind of figured that like it might pull away from the eyeliner that was on there. So kind of no surprises there. You can see I'm a little bit greasy. Might be just the slightest hint of liquid transfer on the top of my lid, which isn't unusual for me. But this eye looks pretty good. Closed, you can see a little bit of deterioration of the eyeliner, but when my eyes open, it looks just fine. So overall, I think this stuff wears really nicely. I think probably around 7 o'clock I could really feel the stickerness as I like got more oily. So I definitely do feel like it's not as comfortable as liquid liner. Like you do feel the stickers on your eyes. Let me pull one off here. And I think from a distance they do look really nice. But up close, I'm pretty sure that even people who aren't super familiar with makeup would be able to detect that you've got these like textured stickers on your eyes. So pretty interesting. Another cool thing is you can take them off and you just have pretty much perfect eyeliner with no wings. So if you like did have one fall off, or you like lost it and couldn't take it anymore and had to remove one, you could just pretty much carry on throughout your day just by removing both of them. So pretty interesting. I do think overall they are quite large wings. Both styles are very, very large wings. Let me try throwing on the other style for you. Okay. So here's the other style. It's I don't know, it's almost a lot. It's so skinny that I don't think it's like a super flattering look on my eyes. I feel like it's a little more extreme looking from what I'm used to, especially if we're used to just a tiny kitten liner. These are going to be incredibly huge. Although they do look nice, they do look super sharp. I just don't think either of them are like the perfect fit for my eyes, versus like if you find a stamp that just happens to work for you, I think you get a little bit more flexibility there. Technically, you could cut these wings down, I guess, if you were like that committed. But to me, that kind of defeats the purpose of having a super simple solution. So overall, I don't think these are super comfortable for like a full 12-hour wear time. I think if you wanted a bolder wing and you were just wearing it for maybe an event out or a couple hours, I think that would be really nice. Like the fact that you can re-angle the wings over and over again until you get them perfectly symmetrical is definitely nice. And even if your skin does have makeup on it, they will easily last, like stick to your eyes for 12 hours, probably even longer, because they still felt nice and adhesive. They never felt like they were lifting or coming off or anything weird. So definitely notice them, and they're not like the most comfortable, but at the same time they do feel secure, and I guess you just know they're there. Overall, if I had to rate these things, I would say the liquid eyeliner is average. Again, slight transfer. Overall, it stayed on really well, although I think the true test on a really oily lid is in that like crease part. So the stickers kind of help cheat that and ensure that your wings are not going to get messed up. They're going to stay super sharp, super precise all evening. Downside is you got stickers on your face. They look like textured stickers on your face. From a distance, not a huge problem. Up close, maybe a problem, maybe not a problem. I think it could easily go like half price and give me like half the stickers. I think that would have felt like a better deal, because I don't know, there's just a lot of stickers, and if you're able to reuse the stickers over and over again, I'm not sure you need a full like 20 stickers. Would I repurchase the stickers? No. Will I need to repurchase the stickers in the next little while? No. I've got a lot of stickers to go through. The liner, on the other hand, it's good. I don't hate it. I think it's easy to use. I like the felt tip, but I feel like I can get a just as good, if not better, experience from like a drugstore liner. And my favorite, you guys know, is the EYE-LIE-NER Intense. This stuff is $10, and similar felt tip lasts all day. No complaints there. So I don't know. I also feel like this is so minor. I have a hard time because I wear glasses. So oftentimes I take my glasses off and my like face is in the mirror. So if the pen is too long, like the pen is just jabbing the mirror so I can like see what I'm doing. So I do wish the pen was slightly shorter too. That's pretty nitpicky, but that's just something I thought I'd mention as well. I wouldn't not recommend the liner, but I definitely wouldn't repurchase it for myself. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Let me know if you've tried any HAUS Laboratory products. Let me know what you thought if you did. Do you think this eyeliner wing set is like super overpriced? And my other question would be, do you think you prefer stickers, or do you prefer like the wing stamp type dealios? Those are my questions for you. Leave your comments, concerns, questions down below in the comments. Huge shout out to my patrons who help bring these videos to you guys, and a huge shout out to you for watching. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!